Fiverr is a huge freelancing job to make money and be successful. These are the top 10 shows that require zero skills and very little time. Number 1. Dubbing. As a voice actor on Fiverr, you can make a lot of money with smooth voices. You only need a microphone and you can earn money instantly. Number 2. Blog comments. Believe it or not, you only need to post 5 comments on someone's blog to earn $5. Yes, this is not a joke. Number 3. Leaflet distribution. Yes, Fiverr will pay you up to $25 to distribute flyers to people. Good idea, I would say. Number 4. Email marketing. All you have to do is send a few emails and you can make up to $20. Number 5. Text marketing. Fiverr is willing to pay you up to $20 by sending WhatsApp to all contacts marketing the product or company. Number 6. Human billboard. Some people dare to do anything for money. You can earn hundreds of dollars by advertising your products on the street. Number 7. Proofreading. It's as simple as 123. You read essays and articles, find errors in grammar, spelling, and punctuation, and earn a significant amount of money. Number 8. Tutor your kids online in the most basic of English and maths through Fiverr and get a continuous stream of income. Number 9. Believe it or not, people pay you on Fiverr to follow their posts and leave a like. Number 10. Rhymes. Even on Fiverr you can earn up to $30 a day writing rap or poetry, making money using Fiverr as your platform. I'm sure if you're reading this article you've probably heard of Fiverr before, but for those who don't know, Fiverr is a freelance platform or hub. Fiverr allows you as a freelancer to promote your skills to thousands of potential clients. The problem here, of course, is that you're competing with thousands of other freelancers offering exactly the same things as you. So how do you overcome this madness and gain a foothold in Fiverr's digital business world? There are several ways. 1. Research. The first thing to do is research. Research your specific niche market. Search for the products you offer on Fiverr to find out how others are charging. This will help you determine a good price. No, this does not mean that one has to have the absolute lowest price. A price that is too low may indicate that you do not value your work and therefore will not deliver high-quality work. On the other hand, too high a price can be out of reach for most customers' budgets. This is why you should research this before setting your own price. Also check how many other similar services you will be competing with. This can help you get a better understanding of how Fiverr works in general. I also recommend checking out some of the other shows people are offering to understand how to present it in a good way, but we'll cover it in the next section. 2. Details. Making your show stand out as much as possible is the ultimate goal, so when creating a show, details are very important. Your achievements are a bit like your portfolio. It shows what you have to submit. Most importantly, be very specific about the products you offer to create a more concentrated market. You can then create multiple shows to target a more concentrated market. This way you cast a net over the market within your skills. For example, consider Photoshop. Photoshop has multiple branches. One person can be good at it. For example, you can be good at logo design and general image editing. Both belong to different categories in Fiverr, so you're targeting 2 very different markets in Fiverr. And all this is back to the details of your achievements. Be specific and truthful when filling out the performance description. It really helps to lay a solid foundation in the beginning. 3. Marketing. After you've made the show, the last thing you need to do is share it as much as you can. I cannot emphasize the importance of marketing for a new show enough. Marketing and subsequently maintaining the customer base is critical to delivering successful performance faster. This is why your achievements must be specific to build a loyal and strong customer base, which will keep coming back, and when they do you will get more and more comments. Fiverr lists you higher and higher on the algorithm. Back to the marketing perspective, you need to create a Facebook page and an Instagram account for your new brand. Under this brand you can show your work to millions of people. Getting more followers on Instagram will help people understand your achievements better, as you can choose to insert a link in your profile. In the long run, Facebook pages can be used to generate real loyal customers. You can also use these 2 platforms for paid advertising. It is usually cheap because you can choose how much you want to spend. Both Facebook and Instagram give you a rough estimate of how many people your budget can cover. I'm talking about covering up to 3,000 people at a price of $10. If you just want to test the waters in ads, I highly recommend checking it out. Oh, and you can even set a specific audience for your ads. So will this be easy? Probably not. With more and more people eager to earn a living in the comfort of their homes, it becomes very difficult to build an image online, but with patience and smart thinking you can set yourself apart from the rest. Once you notice things start to snowball and you know you've finally done it, you left your mark on Fiverr. So friends, how did you like today's video? Do tell us by commenting, and if you liked the video, please like the video and subscribe to the channel.